Hi everyone, how you guys doing? My name is Moritz, I'm co-founder and CEO of Trality, and this is just a real brief video to welcome you on our platform, show you guys around, give you guys a quick walkthrough over what you can do on Trality, and just to get you acquainted. So when you log onto our platform, this is basically the first screen you'll see. This is the dashboard. I've already created a bot a while ago. It runs for just over a month. So this is what you can see here. Has a pretty good performance all time. If you click onto the bot, you can look into some more detailed statistics. You can see its overall performance. You can see the individual assets that it's trading on, zoom in or look into the past and see where it did trades. Like here it sold and here it bought. You can view individual logs, see all the individual orders that the bot has done. But this is really also already the detailed analysis of things. Just to let you know how you can actually look at your bots once you've created them. More important than this is actually what you see here on the left-hand side, namely our Trality Bot Creator module. So as I said, last month I've already created a bot, but this is where you can most importantly create new bots. For this specifically, we offer two very cool options, either the Trality Code Editor, for which you require some Python skills, or the Trality Rule Builder, for which you don't need to write a single line of code. I'll show you both real quick. Let's start with the Trality Rule Builder. You could just click here, the bot type rule, an exchange on which to trade, and a quoted asset against which to trade. Let's select USDT. And by clicking this, you actually enter our rule builder. This makes it as simple as possible to build your first trading bot. You simply select the assets against which to trade. You can build a strategy by adding from a list of predefined signal generators buy and sell signals. And you have some additional settings on which you can play around. And most importantly, another cornerstone of the Trality platform on the right-hand side, our backtester. This is a browser-based, blazing fast backtesting module with which you can basically always go back and forth with the iterations you make on your bot. Test, improve, test, improve, test, improve. And until you're satisfied, basically really work on your bot and improve it as far as you want to go. Now going back, let me quickly also show you the other option. Calling this one code, selecting the code type. Again, you select an exchange and a quoted asset against which to trade. This time, why don't we choose Kraken? And this is the Trality Code Editor. So you're greeted with some bot templates upon which you can build. Let's select an imacross and RSI template. So this is where you see the Python code, which you can always improve and add to your own, of course. And again, on the right-hand side, the backtester. Now, once you're satisfied after several iterations with your bot, either a rule or a code, you can click on this little button here on the top, and this is the deploy for trading bot. And there again, you have two very important options. Either you can select paper trading, so trading on a virtual account, and this gives you the option of really, testing in a real life environment what it would be like to have your bot up and running, but not yet risking any of your precious money. Or you can trade with a real live account on any of the exchanges I just mentioned and really letting your money work for you. Speaking of which, if we head over here to the settings, this is where you can actually add new exchanges. As I said, you have the option either adding a virtual exchange. For this, you click this button here, or a real exchange. For real ones, you actually need to enter the API, token, and secret that you get from your exchange. For the virtual, you have the option to put on a virtual balance of whichever quoted asset you actually created your bot with. In the last case, we used USDT to actually then trade with this virtual balance and see how your bot performs in a real life environment. Two last things I want to draw your attention to today is our Trality documentation, which you can find here under this link. It's really useful, not just for the code editor, but also for the rule builder. We give you some core concepts. For the code editor, we even have some cookbooks, which you can follow along to really make the use of the Trality bot creation opportunities. And the last one is actually, if you have a running bot and you need some assistance and you click onto the bot, you find this little help button here. And this is the easiest way to contact us. Simply write us an email to support@trality.com, copy this little bot token here, and we'll be perfectly able to help you and debug your code in case you have any questions regarding its performance or its trades or anything else. We're more than happy to help you, and we're even more happy to have you on board, and really looking forward to trading together with you. Happy trading.